Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to upload a website on Godaddy. Let's get started. First, log into your Godaddy account and go to My Products. Then scroll down and click on Web Hosting and click Manage. In here, click on cPanel Admin, then click File Manager under the Files section. In the File Manager, scroll down and double-click on public_HTML to open it. Select all the files inside, then click Delete. This pop-up will appear confirming your action. Just click on the checkbox, then click Confirm. Next, click on Upload, click Select File, and click on the zip file you will upload. After uploading, click on Go Back down here. Next, click on the file you just uploaded, click Extract, and in this pop-up, click on Extract again. Next, click on this folder and select all the files inside and click Move. In this pop-up, remove this part and keep the public_HTML, then click Move Files. And that is how you can upload a website on Godaddy. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.